You might be wondering how the ship's engine looks like. So today I'm going to show you the ship's engine room in a very different way that you haven't seen before. So stay with the video till the end. This is the whole ship, and that is the ship's engine room. Before entering the engine room, we need some safety gear. Most importantly, the earplugs, because engine room sounds like this. Let's start with the engine control room. A good number of computer systems and control panels are there so that engineers can do their magic from here. By sitting here, they can observe most of the parameters of the engine room. Side by side, they can start and stop any kinds of machinery of the engine room. Now we'll go for the main course, and that is main engine. This is the top of the engine. There is cylinder head and cylinders. Down there is crankcase and crankshaft. This whole one thing from there down to the bottom is known as main engine. This gigantic engine have 5 cylinders, and this 19,000 horsepower main engine is running smoothly for 24/7 by few engineers. And here is the incredible thing about this engine that will blow your mind. This gigantic engine is two-stroke. This is the liner, and inside of it, piston is playing. This is the spare one. At the bottom, there is crankshaft. Over, there is connecting rod, which is eventually transmit the power to the propeller through the shaft. This is the flywheel, and that is the tail shaft. Well, now we will go to the workshop. With the workshop equipment, we can cut, we can build, we can modify anything we need on board the ship. If I go through all of the machineries of the engine room, it will take more than 2 hours. So I will go shortly. Those are the air reservoir. Inside of it, air is compressed, and those compressed air we can use in so many purposes of the engine room, even though starting of main engine. Basically, those air are stored here by the air compressor. There are two main air compressor, one service air compressor, and one control air compressor. This is the incinerator, where we can burn the vegetable and sludge. Those are the water tube type boilers, which means it's producing steam. Those steam we can use in so many purposes of the engine room, like to heating up anything, even though we can use it to driven the pump by the steam pressure, like cargo oil pump, and its exhaust we can use as inner gas. 25 tons of water can evaporate within an hour by using only one boiler. Now we will go to the steering gear room. This is 4M type steering gear, which is move the rudder, eventually change the direction of the ship. This is the purifier room. There are 5 purifiers in this room. One is auxiliary engine lube oil purifier, 2 are main engine lube oil purifier, and another 2 are heavy fuel oil purifier. Those purifiers like kidney for the ship, because the main purpose of the purifier is to remove water, sludge, and waste particles from the well. This is the freshwater generator, from where we get fresh water. 30 tons of fresh water it can produce within one day. And that is the LT cooler, and that is the lube oil cooler. In this ship there are 3 auxiliary engines, or you can call it as generator. There are 3 cargo oil pumps, and those pumps are driven by the boiler stream pressure. With those pumps, we discharge our cargo to the another vessel. So you can call the boiler as the heart of any operation for the tanker ship. And 2 ballast pumps are also there. The motor part of those pumps are here, but the pump part is located at the pump room. And all those pumps are multi-stage centrifugal pump. This is the air ejector, and that is the vacuum condenser. And it condensed a huge amount of steam which are coming through the cargo oil pumps. Most of the pumps of engine room are located at the bottom floor. If you got any question, write down in the comment below, and as always, see you next time.